Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go more. I hope we can even go. We might be too big. They might see. All right, just go, run.
Okay. 5 minutes?
5 minutes. We had to get in the line, which you basically just use your watch that they give you when you come in at the gate. And we had to get online for the roller coaster. They have a water roller coaster, so that's pretty cool. So we are 5 more minutes and then we get to go. Fun. I think that was the funnest one so far. Roller coaster, definitely recommend. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. at the big body plunge. He's looking, checking it out, but he's going in. All right, Amor.
I don't know. I don't know yet.
You got this. See you on the other side. Have fun. You did it. I didn't even see you come out. Do you guys have to clap when they come down? They tell you to.
A lot to make sure, like, because some people come out stunned and they don't know which way is
to make sure you know that you're alive.
Yeah.
I didn't even see you. I was waiting, looking, watching, and I didn't even see you go out. How was it? Is it scary?
Right.
What?
It's scary at first, but then
It's the anticipation,
you don't
right?
have time to think. Really.
Yeah, that's what she said. It's like so fast. You okay? Do you know where you are?
Probably not.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
They look really baffled.
Huh?
She said that the green one is way more intense than the blue one.
Yeah, it is. It is.
So tell me about your experience.
Man, they are intense.
The blue one's the easiest one.
Yeah, then the green one, and then
Then the
red
green one is pretty,
one. But at
intense.
first, the three of them are intense.
yeah.
As you go, you start getting.
But if you
slower.
want to like build it up, do opposite of what he did. We found out after. He did it backwards. He did the most intense, which is the red, and then the green.
medium, and then the low.
So they said the green one is actually, the green slide in the volcano is the same intensity as the Hulk roller coaster ride in the other Universal park. So
Makes a lot of sense. Huh?
yeah, found out after the fact, but
All the rides. It's just the rivers in the lake.
okay.
Bye.
Bye, cross your arms. All right. That was a nice doggy taco, huh? I got water in my nose. Yeah, that one was fun. Okay, so there are two lazy rivers here in the park. This is the fast, kind of more fun, crazy river, which is more like a ride, and you can only go by wearing the life vest. So you go and you pick up your life vest, and then you can jump in the lazy river. After this, we're gonna do the more relaxed one, and with that one, you can just swim, or you can use a tube, which we like the tube, so we're gonna do both. But first, we're gonna do the more intense and work our way down to the more relaxing one.